I have prepared some pigments. It's burnt sienna, and the burnt sienna with a little bit of Payne's grey, just a little bit. The burnt sienna we're going to use closer to the sunlight, and the darker color we're going to paint a little bit from the sunlight. Okay. Let's start. I have wet the paper just on top, and it's just a little bit moist, not wet, just moist. And I start with the burnt sienna. You remember that on the edges it dries faster and in the corners, so think about that when you're painting, so that it doesn't get dry. If you feel that it is dry, here it is quite dry. And always wet a little bit with a brush. Wet and blot on the paper. This is the background I'm painting. Background trees or bushes, if you like. You don't have to be too careful because it's the background. It doesn't show as much as the foreground. Just blot and soften. Here I take the color that is with some Payne's grey. It's a bit too dry, I think. I can use a spray bottle as well. Remember, variety. Vary what you paint. go in afterwards and just drop a few colors, some darks and some lighter, just to get some variety. See, you can wash the brush and blot on a piece of paper to soften the edges. These are the trees behind, so I don't want them to look too hard on the edges. Okay, now come closer to the sun. If you think that the pigments are floating out too much, you just mix it with less water. Because when you wet the paper, that water inside the paper will also make the mixture thinner. You can go in and drop some water if you want to get some more life to it. Make it bloom a bit. You can go in with some Payne's Grey mixture, make it a little dark if you want in some places. You can mix on the paper. I have my cat inside here, my studio cat. Some more sienna. Okay. Here I have some lemon yellow that I drop in to the color because you have the sunlight coming from behind, and therefore I want this burnt sienna color to be lighter, so you see the difference from more far trees, far from the sun. I still have the sticker here, so I protect this. After I take it away, the sticker, I can put some color, very light color, in front if I want, in front of the sun. Okay. We'll take away a little bit of this. See, you can blot with your paper towel. Always have a paper towel handy. Okay, I'm going to dry this now.